welcome back to another video. I hope you're all doing okay. Sorry about the break in uploads. Nothing's gone wrong on the car, so yeah. Today I'm going to be, well, as you can see from the title, we're going to one of the first meets I've been to since the lockdown was lifted. It's my club and a few other groups based in the Shropshire area. I'll leave a link to all of them in the description. But yeah, it's Saturday now and the cars are very dirty, so I'm going to give you a quick walk around mine, and yeah, then we're going to wash the cars ready for tomorrow. So here's the Mini. So recently it's had a timing chain tensioner done by myself, and this morning I've done an oil filter and oil change. Since sort of the last video, I've blacked these out. I'm not sure whether they were in the last one, but there we go. I've blacked the belt line out. I've got black handles. So come around to the back, blacked out the boot handle. I think I might have done that a little while ago. And the biggest one for me, the headlight rings, the scoop, and I've got a new grille with an S badge on it. And then today I've literally ordered new 3D plates, so hopefully they should be here soon. And other than that, I've not really done much else to the car, apart from one thing. I'm going to be installing neons on the Mini. It was a bit of a sort of running joke for a little while that I was going to put them on, and I sort of just bit the bullet and bought them. So I'm going to be installing them today. So first step, I'm up with the battery. I'll leave a link to these neons in the description, where you can control them from your phone. But essentially you connect to the negative and the positive terminals on the battery, and then I'm going to be running out of this hole here, which was already in the car. It's got like a little grommet, so I'm going to be running them out of there, and then we're going to put one of these strips on each side of the car. Now they're 3M backed and they come with little zip ties, so we're going to put them zip ties on as well, and yeah, we should be neoned up. So let's give it a go. So we're going to use a 10mm socket and just loose these off a touch. We're going to do the ground first. Right, so twist the copper wire around and just put it underneath this this washer here. I'm just going to turn it around it, and then we're going to tighten it down. And then we're going to do the same to the other side. Might work. That's what we're about to see. Okay, so that's the negative and positive sides put on, so I'm just going to put this little cap back on, and there we go. We'll sort that wiring out, but the actual wiring aspect of it's done. It's just actually placing them on the car now. Okay, so I'm under the car now. That hole is just behind the exhaust there. So I've run the 4 strips under the car. I'm going to find one of the smaller ones, which I think is here, and I'm basically going to sort of 3M tape it, which is what it comes with on the bumper here, and then I'm also going to cable tie it by drilling little holes in the bumper and then putting the cable tie through. So let's have a go. So I've run the neons now for both sills and the back. What I've been doing is drilling holes, 2 holes, and feeding through cable ties and then looping them on, because the 3M tape's crap. Just running the line to the front, and I've got to basically extend this wire. So I found some old wire and I'm basically twisting them together and then tying them up with electrical tape and hoping that works. So I've just finished the wiring job. As you can see, there's a white cable in the middle which acts as an extension. So I'm going to test it out, see if it works. Well, hey, they work. Pretty cool. Okay. So I'm going to run them to the front of the car now. Yep, that's right. I put neons on the Mini. I made a bet with one of my friends that if the rear coilover video got 100 views, then I'd do it, and it did. So yeah, we got neons, and I'll put a photo up now. That's what it looks like at night time. Yeah, it started off as a bit of a joke, but I actually kind of like it. So yeah, let's get cracking cleaning the inside and the outside of the Mini. So it's meet day. Me and the boys are ready to go. We're gonna head down to Montfort Bridge now. It's only a 5-minute drive from my house. So yeah, I'll just give you a quick look of who's coming with me. So we've got Tyler in the Lexus. You saw me put an exhaust on that. And then we've got Owen in the Fiesta. And then my other half, Chelsea's, going in a Mini as well. So it should be a nice little meet. So we've been here about 10-15 minutes now. A couple of cars have arrived. We've got a TVR Tuscan, really clean, really nice. And we've got Ibiza FR, really nice green colour, blacked out. And then we've got Owen's Mark 6 Fiesta with the BBS's and a brand new Hornet exhaust. It's also blacked out. And then we've got Tyler's Lexus, which is completely stuck, other than brakes, and he can't get it sideways. Oh no, actually it's not completely stuck. Nah. We've got the 5-inch exhaust, which was in my last video, so go and check that out. So we've got a electric blue R53 with an interesting shifter. Really nice colour actually, really good condition. Nice white alloys. I think it's running a 17 pulley, which is nice. And we've got a black eye purple metallic Mini. Really nice engine bay, grey rocker cover. This one has all of its interior and a panoramic sunroof. Again, interesting shifter. Some nice lights at the back. And then this one is a favourite. Big wing. I think I might have to put one of them on mine. And it's low. Nice pink wheels and colour coded arches. I like it. It's also stripped out. Then we've got a stock Clubman, R55 Clubman. It's pretty nice though. Do like it, and I am a fan of these doors. And then we've got mine. Everyone knows what that looks like. It's cleaner today. Got a very loud Mondeo just coming in. Looks like they're waiting for somewhere to park. And a van. And this is my girlfriend Chelsea's car. It's a Mini 1R50. Yeah, it's not an S. But yeah, it's got blue and black leather interior. And it's completely stock. Lovely Golf GTI, very clean. A really nice big splitter on it. Oh, she's stripped out. Very dark windows. Nice. Let's walk down into Astraland. So we got a VW Lupo with an interesting colour scheme and an MOT that ran out a while ago, and some bonnet pins for, I don't know, extra speed. I think that's a Vectra. Very nice blue VXR. Cool rocker cover. Pretty sure it's an Astra VXR. Very clean. Some more. MX-5. Fiesta ST. Very nice. Nice and low. Oh yeah, baby. Civic EP3. Beautiful. Canard things. Love a V-dub caddy. MX-5. Another V-dub caddy. Another VXR. Very loud Mondeo ST. And this came in while I was chatting. GTR R35 Nismo. And a bagged TT in a really nice purple colour on the floor. Some Corsas, Vectras, Astras, Remaps. Celica. If you couldn't tell, this is mainly a Vauxhall meet, as there is a lot of Vauxhalls. Some Vauxhall vans over the back. A Tigra. More Vauxhalls. And we're back to the TVRs again. And all the minis. Do a burnout! So it's been a really cool meet actually. Some nice cars here, some loud cars here, some modifieds. It's quite a lot of minis. Hope you enjoyed the little walk around. We're just about to leave now, me, my friend Owen, my friend Tyler. So we're going to leave now and head off home. So yeah, thank you for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Leave a like, make sure you hit subscribe, and let me know if you want to see some more meet footage. I'll see you in the next one.